Welcome to the Spa AI Chatbot Preview. This intelligent assistant is designed to simplify how guests explore wellness services and book treatments, making their self-care journey relaxing, personalized, and completely effortless. The conversation begins with a warm welcome message, followed by key service options such as spa packages, services, and book appointment. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to match the specific needs of any spa or wellness center. When a user shares their requirement, the chatbot instantly presents the complete list of available services and packages. After selecting a particular treatment or package, the bot provides detailed information about that option. To proceed with the booking, the chatbot collects essential details such as the guest's name, preferred date and time for the appointment, and contact information. Once the details are submitted, the chatbot instantly confirms the booking and shares a final confirmation message. With a smooth conversational flow and quick responses, the Spa AI chatbot ensures a seamless and relaxing booking experience. From exploring treatments to scheduling an appointment, all in one simple interaction. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This section contains multiple subflows where each flow is designed to perform a specific action. From here, we can access various nodes and work closely with the AI agent. The AI agent operates based on its defined role and skills. It manages the flow efficiently and delivers relevant and accurate results. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Spa and Wellness AI Chatbot template installation process and flow builder overview.